Good morning, students. Today we will read the answers. So take the correct answer. This is an abiotic end of the element. Composition of atmosphere changes altitude from Earth's surface. The biotic and results variation of climate. Produces all green plants. This human activity has harmed the environment. Fill in the blank. Bioelements includes animals. This biotic. The biosphere, the narrow zone of life. Climate changes influence biotic element. Consumers can be classified as herbivorous, omnivorous. Humans impacted the environment greatly. True, false. Natural environment is composed only of living. False. Hydrosphere, various landforms. True. Biotic and elements are dying in nature. True. Producers earn their foods from other living things. False. And the rapid climate change caused extinction of many plants and species. True. Math columns. Biotic elements. Human elements. Air. Produce. Algae. Consumer. Animals. And spare mineral wealth. Okay. Now question answer which are in detail. This classification environment with table examples. Here, environment comprises of created by humans due to interaction, ethic and abidings. Example: buildings, bridge, factories, means transport, electricity and social system. The questions which are in detail, I will give where are the answer chapter itself. Then you have to can write in your. So from here to here, and the natural environment, the water, animals and comprise the nature. This is also for. Then first sphere, the solid top of the surface called as Earth. It has different forms like mountains, plains, valleys, plateaus, etc. Okay, this is the first answer. Here only the answer is going on. From here, hydrosphere. Part of Earth water is called hydrosphere. It includes all types of water such as oceans, rivers, etc. An atmosphere. The thick layer of air surrounding the Earth is atmosphere. The atmosphere is held to the earth by the force of gravity. Besides various like oxygen, nitrogen, carbon dioxide, argon and hydrogen. Changes atmosphere in weather and climate. The atmosphere also works as a shield for Earth. Here your first is completed. Now second question. A brief note of atmosphere. So you have the same atmosphere, thick layer of the surrounding the Earth atmosphere. The atmosphere on of the by a force of gravity. Various gases, oxygen, nitrogen, carbon dioxide, argon and hydrogen. Change the atmosphere, influence climate change. The atmosphere also works as shield for the. Okay, so you have to write them in second question. Now question. Explain the interaction between biotic and elements. The biotic element, the environment acts each other and with the time. Both these elements dynamic in nature. These climate change influence the biotic element. Plants, animals, humans depend and water for survival. Bioelements cause new species of plant animals to invade old species become extinct when they fail to adapt to changing environment. Interaction between biotic and abiotic result in variation of soil, vegetation and distribution of plants, animals. Here your question is complete. Now fourth, describe composition of the sphere giving suitable example. So here where zone of interaction between air and land, the living beings live and flourish is called a biosphere. The biosphere is a unique of the Earth. It is the only planet in the solar system which supports life. Outside main of the biosphere, life is not possible. The biosphere is comprised of major elements: producer and the consumer. The producer are capable of producing their own food from the elements of the environment, or in plants are produced. Organisms that are able to produce directly from environment are heterotroph. We include consumer animals and humans. These consumers can be